So we were cooking up some dinner, and a new boat came in, and we were like, oh, look at this new boat. Got wooden mast. It was cool. And as they came by, we were waving, and they came by real close, and they said, we watch your YouTube channel, we saw your video, and so we cheered. And now they're parked right there. They're parked right there.
And Sean and Allie are right there.
Yeah, and Sean and Allie are right here. So we have loads of friends around right now. It's a good time.
We've been in Key West a little longer than we planned while we wait on paperwork and knock out a few boat projects. Thankfully, we've had some good company while we've been here. The heat has been intense, so we've pretty much taken every excuse we can to get in the water. Someone figured out we could turn the halyard into a rope swing, and I think that became everyone's favorite way to cool off. When we weren't jumping in, we were hiding under the boat in the shade or hanging out on the dock trying to catch a breeze. Our friend Austin stopped by with a hookah diving setup so the guys could clean the holes. It worked way better than they expected, and they made a ton of progress. Then, finally, it rained. I don't think I've ever been so happy to see a rainstorm. I stayed out in it the whole time. After weeks of salt, sweat, and sunscreen, standing in the fresh rain just felt incredible. And the timing couldn't have been better. We finally got a chance to do some laundry. That evening, Austin and his family came over, along with Sean and Allie from Feral Cat, and we all watched the 4th of July fireworks from the boat. It was a pretty great way to end the day. Of course, the projects didn't stop. We found some rot in the port side tiller, so Sedek sanded it back, filled it with epoxy, and got ready for paint. We also reattached part of the trampoline where it had pulled away from the beam. It's always something with boats, but little by little, we're getting through the list. So the guys are about to start working on getting the radar up the mast. I think that we received a gift from our friends Austin and Shyla, It's a seat that'll take you up the whole way. So I think Sedek is gonna sit in there and Lingus is gonna winch him up and put the radar on the mast.
So it definitely works. These are all the boats that are around us, and we can see them. And we have radar all the way out right now up to about 15.5 nautical miles, but we saw it up to 20. We are on the way right now to meet Conrad, the builder of the boat in Key West. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so we are on the boat. It is a windy morning. We have like 16 knot winds, sometimes down to 12. And we're gonna head over to a mooring ball somebody told us about that is about 8 miles from Key West. We have a friend coming with us, and we're gonna buddy boat over. We did meet with Conrad, and he was able to give us the signature we need, and we have the deletion letter approved for the Coast Guard, so they're gonna delete the document. And then we can register it in Florida. Once we have that registration, we can leave. And when we have the new title with the boat in my name, I'll reapply for the Coast Guard documentation again. So basically, it has been a long process, but we're finally getting to the point where we're going to be legal and ready to move, and we're excited for that. But today, we're going to set sail over to here.
Right as we're getting ready to head out, we realized that the pull string broke on our motor. Straight away, we've also had some issue raising the head sail. There was a lot of resistance when hoisting it. What are the possible options that it could be?
We think that maybe the screws that we put into the mast when we hung the radar might be rubbing, so we need to put in shorter screws. I did buy shorter screws just in case. So it's just a matter of going up and replacing them.
And so as far as the motor goes, we're leaving it running right now because...
if we need it, we have to jump down and start it down there because the pull string is broken on it. And we don't want to not be able to start it if needed. So we're just leaving it running while we run over there. It takes about an hour to get there, so it's just an hour running time. All right, guys, we have set sail and we have our friends behind us. Maybe you can't see them, but Feral Cat's back there with Sean and Allie and their new friends Kyle and his family. There they are. Hey, Feral Cat, stay on 6-8 for communication.
Yeah, we'll stay on 6-8.
So we want to moor Sean and Allie's boat. Oh shoot, Sean and Allie's boat is like right there. There's this guy, he's coming in. Great, thanks. We're trying to moor. I don't know if you can see. Sean is in the dinghy right there. Well. Alright, they're moving. We're gonna get that third ball. This is our first time. This is our first time mooring, so here we go. Man, the drive up to that mooring ball was like anticipation. If you've ever seen that old ketchup commercial.
You guys!
That's the storm we're in right now?
Yeah, this is us. Oh. And it's somewhere around 10 miles large.
How much longer do you think this one's gonna be?
I
The
don't
last
know.
one was like an hour, I think.
It's gonna be a big one.
We have been over at Cottrell Key for a few days now, and it is time to go back to Key West. We are hoping that within a few days we'll be able to leave for Mexico. It has been a lot of fun here. Sedek and Lingisi got to see sea turtle, and there's lots of fish. You got to see sea turtle too? And Sawyer? Everyone got to see sea turtle. And there's like huge fish, barracuda that's like as big as me. It's pretty crazy to be able to like swim in a fish tank, you know? Like this is their home, we're swimming in their home, but it's like an aquarium that never ends. To go on a day sail with Sean and Allie on their boat, Feral Cat. So they are taking Lingisi and the boys over and coming back to get me and Sedek and all of the stuff that we're hauling. And we are gonna go enjoy. Where are we going?
We're gonna go off just sail out into the ocean.
We're just gonna go that way. So after a great snorkel and a beautiful sail yesterday, we did make it back to the anchorage, and we're back on our boat again. We also received a message yesterday that we got mail. This mail is the deletion letter that we have been waiting for. So today, Tzedek and Lingisi have gone to town. They are going to refill our propane, refill our gas, get some more food stuff. They have to also go by the tax office. This is the most important part. As long as he comes back with a title in hand, we can go to Mexico today. So while they're in town today, I'm sitting here finishing up this video so that the next one that you see is hopefully us making it to Mexico. Thank you for watching so far and for following along. We'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, give this video a like, maybe a comment. What was your favorite part, or what do you want to see more of? That's the only way that I know I can make the videos better, is by hearing your feedback. All right, that's gonna be it for this one, so see you on the next one.